Perfect. Good cast, bro. Airmail. Yeah, it's kind of tough to cast that thing with that. I'm sorry, but hold on, let me go get it out of the tree for you. Oh, we got us one, boys.
It's gonna be a rough day.
Check
buddy.
this one out, baby. Actually, oh, I thought she was in that. What the heck? Of course, it's on that one stupid little stem. Like, how can that plant withstand that line? That's all I'm wondering. All right, guys, I'm giving them first cast. That'll work. Bring it fast, I'll get it out of that current. Then once you get it out of the current, slow it down a little bit. Oh, come on, baby. Right there. Oh my God, my heart's racing already. All right, dude, I'm gonna give it a cast. All right, guys, you'll never guess where we are. But for this episode, we are gonna be fishing with Jeremiah on the good old Holston River. Today, I've got the 13 fishing Spook. Oh man, that current though. Yeah, stand like right there. It might be a little bit easier for you. I got my bite literally right here. Oh, come on, baby. God, I want it to happen so bad. I always start out here, but if we don't get anything, we'll go down there to the shoal. It's actually a little bit shallower than it was last time I was here. Not yet, we just got here. We're trying though. Like I said, guys, I'm working the 13 fishing Spook right now. I forget the color of this one. Man, though. It's kind of hard to work it in this current, not gonna lie. Because there's actually, this eddy is so strong that it's pushing my lure over here to the bank. All right, stand right here. Or even right there. If you can't get a bite here, then there's not a fish that's gonna bite this top water. It's gonna be kind of tough for me just because of the way I have to work this thing, but he's got the Drunken Mullet tied on right now. And boy howdy, if he doesn't catch a fish right here, I'm gonna be surprised. Oh yes, that's it, that's the one. That's where that rock is. You can see where it gets a little bit darker in the water right there. Yeah, that's where that rock's at. That's where I got him last time. Uh-huh. That's usually where I'm standing, where I'm casting. That's how high it is right now. Yours is way better to work this though. Let's go up here. We'll walk down here on this bank and let's get right next to where this current's coming in. And if there's not one there, then there's not one here that's gonna take it. The last time I was here, it was legit first cast and he nailed it. And it was on the smuggler too, which is even crazier. Or I might actually be able to work it right here. Okay, he cast. There we go, that's what I wanted right there. Okay, that's actually not what I wanted right there. Go ahead and just, if you can pitch it, that's what I'd be doing. Is just pitch it right there where that water's coming in. Or right here at this rock, right where the corner is, where that slack water meets that. Yes, sir, that's where they should be. Well, we always try here at the riverfront, but if they're not gonna be here today, let's go ahead and move on down. Last time I got my bite, it was right next to where he was standing. Boy, got him one. That must be pretty good. I wanna see it. I'll take a picture for him too if he wants it. That's pretty good. That's like right at 2 pounds. Yeah, that fish put up a fight, man. To be 2 pounds, I mean, they always do in the river though. Need some help, bud?
They're in here now.
Yeah, I know they are, man. I'm gonna ask, I'm gonna take a picture for him. That's a pretty solid one, man. That's right under 2.
Got the average.
Yeah, they're all around 2 pounds through here, man. I caught a 3-pounder right here where you're standing yesterday.
Right here, the whopper plopper, I can't get them. I see y'all throwing the big stuff.
I got the Spook, baby.
Yeah.
That's a solid one, man. Do you want me to take a picture for you?
Been catching them on the big baits.
I mean, I caught a 3-pounder right, literally right where you were standing. He was right here last time. Solid little chunk though.
Yeah.
There you go. I took 2 for you, man. No problem. Oh yeah. Usually we wade all through that, and it slays, man.
I need to bring a chainsaw, huh?
You got live shiners today?
I do.
That's the plays, man.
Yeah, I do.
You can't beat that. And goldfish.
Yeah.
That is the plays, dude. You should catch a ton through here, man. Every time I come up here, I catch a solid one. Oh yeah, a lot, but that means they're gonna be sitting right through here. Like I said, he was legit. It was probably about a foot higher last time I was here.
Bigger the bait, the bigger the fish.
This makes a lot of noise, and he's got the whopper plopper on, so.
Seem to like it up against the bank. I bet a mouse or a rat would work good here.
Yeah,
too.
I've got some wake baits in the car, but yeah, I usually, if I'm gonna stick to something topwater, I usually stick with a Spook or a whopper plopper.
So you just go with that?
Yeah, I mean, you'll get way bigger bites on this Spook.
Oh, sure.
But that whopper plopper, man, you can't beat it here. It is the best lure here.
This morning, but never had no luck. But
do you care if we slip by you, man?
No, I don't.
I'm gonna wade through this little section where this water's pouring over. Yes, I'm gonna go right next to you.
You wanna go by? Hold up,
I'm gonna go probably right about where that heron's at or where those logs are down. Yes, sir. Hey, good luck to you, man. You'll probably catch some more. Don't worry about that. Oh, there's probably a state record in here, man. Oh, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm on that 5-pound smallie grind right now. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna let you have the first dibs on this, dude. If you run it right through here, bring it right past all these rocks. There was a topwater you got there. But bring it right past all these rocks, and he should be in there somewhere, right through there where all that slack water is. Well, guys, at least we know the fish are in here today. I'm gonna try cast at it. If that's not a bite, man, There we go. I gotta try to keep him out of these rocks though. No, no, no. Okay, calm down, buddy. I understand. I'd be upset too. Okay, there we go. Let's go. Not a bad little fish. Look at that. He's a football. What'd I tell you, man? These spooks will slay him, dude. I knew there had to be a smallie right there.
Holy crap. That's beautiful.
I told you there'd be a fish there, didn't I? Do what? Yeah. I'd recommend 13 fishing if you're gonna get a spook. 13 fishing is my favorite spooks. They got a gold shiner color that you cannot beat through here. Care to take a picture of me, Jeremy? Here we go. All right, guys, get out of me, please. Can you help me out there, buddy? It's just barely so. Oh. I just want to show the YouTubes. Look, everyone's trying to come down here now. That was first cast down there too, man. I mean, he's not huge or anything. Do what? Yeah, if he would have thrown it just a little bit more parallel, he would have caught that fish. But check out that little chunk. Here we go. Not a bad way to start the day. I'm trying to get him in the light so you guys can see him, but man, he wanted that thing. He missed it once and then came back up and got it. What a little football, dude. We won't weigh this guy. I'd say he's probably right at 2 pounds. But we will take a picture. Yes, take one more, please. Save that one and take one more for me. Yes, sir, that one's the one. Oh, what a little football. Good way to start the day. Sorry it wasn't you, man. I tried to get him for you. Oh, he's already ready to go back. Look at that. See you, buddy. All right, guys, we're at the next spot. It's near Domtar Park. I think that's what it's called, question mark? Oh, come on, right here next to this tree. Oh, come on, man. Yeah, it's on the back side of that. That's gonna be in there too. If you'll do me a solid, dude, I'll walk out there. I will get that.
Do you see how deep that gets right there? Just above that.
Maybe if I can get the line. If I can get the line, I might be able to get it off from this side, but.
As you see here, Logan is trying to retrieve a lure. You wanna take bets that he falls? I bet 10 bucks he gets up to his head. The lure is right out there on that far, little bitty nub of wood sticking out. He's gonna have to go swimming.
I can straddle this log right here. You guys better respect me.
Do a flip. Don't bust your nuts.
Oh, once you get the balls in, it's okay. Can you throw me a stick?
I can try. How big you need? This long enough?
Beam it at me like 60. Can you reel? I got it, baby. Can you reel? Sorry, boys, he's got to go.
The man, the myth, the legend.
This right here is what ended our day today. I casted it into a tree, and this is by far. Look at this. It looks so dumb. Women are less complicated than this. I'm not a sexist, by the way, just throwing that out there. That about sums up our day right here. Not only did I get soaking wet to go after a lure, Jeremiah didn't catch a fish. We only saw one fish all day, man. Actually, whole correction, we did see two. We did see two. And shout out to my man. But guys, if you want to avoid this and Corona, go out and fish. Just don't cast into a tree. That's my recommendation. But I think that's where we're gonna end it off. Jeremiah, you got any final words for the guys back home?
Stay safe.
Stay safe. Wear protection. I think that's what he's trying to say. Yes, nailed it. But if you guys did enjoy this video and you want to see more Teach a Man to Fish episodes, be sure to hit the like button below, comment, rate, subscribe, do what you guys do, and we'll see you guys in the next one. What the heck, Chris? You need some pliers? Here we go. Are you kidding me? Check that out.
in the world is this fish? What were you thinking?